Hi, I'm Steve Scheinkoff, CEO of Yale Appliance and Lighting, Dorchester and Framingham, Massachusetts. Today we're talking about the brand new Signature Kitchen Suite, or SKS, gas slide-in range. There are many interesting features like a pure convection oven and Wi-Fi capability in a sleek, modern style. You'll like the look of this range, especially in a suite. But at a hefty $35.99, there are other options worth considering in both slide-ins and even pro-range brands. In this video, we'll describe each compelling feature and compare the SKS to other slide-ins and professional ranges. First, the SKS has a distinctive modern look. Although it is stainless steel, the finish is more of a chromium, brighter than any other stainless steel finish from any other brand. So if you're looking for something different, the SKS is cool. The cooktop surface has 5 burners, with the highest output being 18,500 BTU. However, the rest of the burners are relatively underpowered. In fact, the second most powerful burner is only 12,000. The JennAir slide-in, for example, has a 19,000 and a 17,000 BTU burner. The SKS does have a pure gas convection oven, meaning the heat is projected from the back rather than the bottom of the range. This result is even more even heat and will eliminate taste crossover between racks. Every other brand uses a bottom heating element with a fan assist in gas. Only LG and Blue Star have pure convection ovens. SKS also offers performance updates and maintenance reminders via their app. SKS also features a bottom warming drawer, so you can keep food warm up to 3 hours. You cannot bake in the drawer like the JennAir or the Electrolux gas slide-ins. You should be able to bake and roast better with a pure convection oven. However, you do want to look at all your competitive options. Almost all the comparable slide-ins like JennAir, Samsung, and KitchenAid are at least $800 cheaper with similar features and higher output. At $35.99, you're just below lower price pro ranges like Thermador and JennAir. But with those, you also get a free dishwasher. These ranges also have multiple high output burners, better simmer control, and an infrared broiler for faster searing. Again, SKS has less powerful burners and no infrared broiler. So buy the SKS suite for its style, convection oven, and Wi-Fi connectivity. But for overall functionality and overall features, you should also consider other gas slide-ins as well as 30-inch professional ranges. To learn more about gas cooking, download our gas cooking buying guide, available by clicking the link at the end of the video.